For Pell City homeowners looking to enhance comfort, improve indoor air quality, and enjoy better energy efficiency, casement windows are one of the most effective upgrades available. Their simple, elegant design allows them to open wider than most window styles, maximizing fresh air circulation while offering exceptional insulation when closed. Whether you're renovating an older home or updating your current windows for better performance, casement windows provide noticeable improvements you can enjoy every day. Here's how casement windows enhance airflow, comfort, and overall home enjoyment in Pell City. Superior ventilation for fresher, cleaner indoor air. One of the standout benefits of casement windows is their ability to open fully from top to bottom. Unlike double-hung or slider windows, which only open halfway, casement windows swing outward like a door, catching breezes from multiple directions. This design improves airflow by allowing maximum ventilation into the room, directing fresh air into your home, even on calm days, reducing indoor humidity, especially during hot Pell City summers, flushing out stale air, odors, and indoor pollutants. Homes benefit greatly from proper ventilation, especially in high humidity climates like central Alabama. Better natural cooling during warm weather. During Pell City's warm spring and summer months, casement windows act like built-in fans. Because the sash opens outward at an angle, it can catch side breezes and funnel fresh air inside, allowing homeowners to cool their interior spaces naturally. This leads to lower indoor temperatures without relying solely on AC. Reduced cooling costs during mild weather months. More consistent, comfortable airflow throughout the home. Casement windows are particularly beneficial in rooms that feel stuffy or trapped with warm air, such as kitchens, living areas, and upstairs bedrooms. Enhanced comfort with tighter seals and less drafting. While casement windows offer excellent airflow when open, they're equally impressive when closed. Their locking mechanism pulls the sash tightly against the frame, creating one of the most secure and airtight seals of any window type. This brings comfort benefits such as fewer drafts during chilly Pell City winters, reduced cold spots in rooms, better insulation for year-round temperature control, improved sound reduction for quieter indoor spaces. These tight seals help make your home more comfortable in every season. Energy efficiency that supports lower utility costs. Because casement windows seal so tightly, they offer outstanding energy efficiency. Combined with modern upgrades like low-E glass, insulated frames, and multi-pane glazing, they help minimize heat transfer and reduce your heating and cooling load. Energy-efficient casement windows help keep cool air indoors during summer, maintain warmth during colder months, reduce strain on your HVAC system, lower monthly utility bills. This makes casement windows a smart long-term investment for Pell City homeowners. Flexible placement throughout the home. Casement windows work beautifully in nearly every room of the home and are especially effective in areas where ventilation matters most. Popular installation areas include kitchens, to quickly vent heat and cooking odors, bathrooms, to reduce humidity and prevent mold, living rooms, for ample breezes and natural light, bedrooms, to maintain fresh nighttime airflow. Their versatility and clean appearance complement both traditional and modern home designs. A better outdoor view with an unobstructed design. Unlike double-hung windows with horizontal sashes, casement windows have a single, clear pane that provides an unobstructed view of your outdoor surroundings. Benefits include more natural light, clearer visibility of your yard or neighborhood, a brighter, more open feel in any room. This makes casement windows popular for scenic areas or rooms where homeowners want more sunlight. Final thoughts: casement windows offer Pell City homeowners the perfect combination of ventilation, energy efficiency, comfort, and beauty. Their unique design brings in fresh air effortlessly while keeping your home well insulated when closed. Whether you're looking to reduce humidity, improve indoor air quality, or enjoy more consistent temperatures, casement windows are a powerful upgrade that enhances daily living.